Good morning, students. In previous session we will discuss part B questions, that is question number 11, 12, 13. So question number 11 belongs to relations and function, question number 12 belongs to inverse trigonometric function, question number 13 belongs to area of triangle using determinants. Okay, now today we will discuss question number 14, 15, 16. These three questions belongs to differentiation. More questions differentiation ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Question number 14, 15, 16. Okay, selected question, easiest problem. Now here problem number 14th question, 2 mark question in part B. Now the question like this: if 2x plus 3y is equal to sin y, find dy by dx. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಪೂರ್ವದಲ್ಲೇ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿಚ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು y ಎರಡು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ y ಈಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. y ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ y ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹೀಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ dy ಬೈ x ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನು? ಗಿವನ್ ಡೇಟಾ, ದೆನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 1 ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ 2x, 2 ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಯು ನೋ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ x ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ to x is 1 plus 3 derivative of y with respect to x, dy by dx. Derivative of sin y with respect to different variable, cos y into dy by dx. Some students ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀವು cos dy by dx ಬರೀತೀರಿ. ರಾಂಗ್. cos y into dy by dx. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ 2 into 1 2 plus 3 dy by dx minus cos y dy by dx is equal to 0. Take dy by dx common. dy by dx common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ? 3 minus cos y dy by dx is equal to 2 goes to right side plus 2 goes to right side minus 2. Then divide by that value so that dy by dx is equal to minus 2 divided by 3 minus cos y is the answer. 2 mark question. Okay, another question, question number 15 ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ 14 question. 3 questions belongs to differentiation. Another question same type. If 2x plus 3y is equal to sin x, again which type of function is given? Clearly it is implicit function. Find dy by dx. So given data 2x plus 3y is equal to sin x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ dy by dx ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 1 ವಿತ್ ರಿಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. 2 ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು x1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ y ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು x dy by dx. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ರಿಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಸೇಮ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ x, cos x. ಇಲ್ಲೇ y ಇತ್ತು, cos y into dy by dx, but here x with respect to x as it is. So rearrange. So 3 dy by dx is equal to, take this one, 3 into dy by dx is equal to cos x plus 2 goes to right side minus 2. Divide by 3 dy by dx is equal to cos x minus 2 divided by 3. That is 2 mark question. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ another problem, it may be 14 or 15 or 16 problem. If sin square x plus cos square y is equal to 1, find dy by dx. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. sin square x plus cos square y is equal to 1. Find dy by dx. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. Sin square x differentiate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. How many friends? 2 friends. First friend power 2, then second friend sin x. ಮೊದಲ power 2 ಅನ್ನು differentiate ಮಾಡಿ derivative of sin square, it is in the form x square. Derivative of x square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2x. Here 2 sin x into another friend is sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x plus derivative of cos square y, same type, 2 cos y into derivative of cos y minus sin y with respect to x ಇದೆ into dy by dx is equal to derivative of 1 with respect to x, constant 0. But you know that 2 sin x into cos x multiple angle formula, sin 2x plus into minus minus, again 2 sin y into cos y multiple angle formula, sin 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. So rearrange minus sin 2y dy by dx is equal to plus sin 2x goes to right side minus sin 2x, or dy by dx is equal to minus minus cancel, sin 2x divided by sin 2y is the answer. Practice ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, writing work ಮಾಡಿ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? So similarly next question again 14, 15, 16, again 14 question. Totally 3 questions. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ questions 2 ಮಾರ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವು. If x square plus xy plus y square is equal to 100, find dy by dx. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಗಿವನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ plus y square is equal to 100. So how to solve? Differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. One by one differentiate ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Derivative of x square 2x, derivative of x into y, ಎರಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ 2 ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ at a time ಎರಡನ್ನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್. ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ x into derivative of y with respect to x dy by dx plus second function as it is y into derivative of x with respect to x is 1 plus derivative of y square with respect to x 2y into dy by dx, derivative of 100, constant term 0. Rearrange, take dy by dx common, x plus 2y dy by dx is equal to remaining 2 terms goes to right side, plus 2x goes to right side, minus 2x plus y goes to right side, minus y. Then dy by dx is equal to, take minus common, 2x plus y divided by x plus 2y. 2 mark question. Clear students? Similarly, another question number 15. If ax plus by square is equal to cos y, find dy by dx. Again, which type of function is here? Clearly it is implicit function. ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ dy by dx is equal to ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ. ರಾಂಗ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ y is equal to ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ dy by dx ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ y is equal to ಇಲ್ಲ, it is implicit function. So differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. A and b are constants. A is constant and here function. Derivative of constant into function, constant term as it is. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1 plus b constant as it is. Derivative of y square 2y with respect to different variable x, that is dy by dx. Again derivative of cos y with respect to different variable minus sin y into dy by dx. Now rearrange, take dy by dx common, this implies 2by minus into minus, take equal on right side, minus into minus, plus sin y dy by dx is equal to, that a goes to right side, minus a. So 2by plus sin y into dy by dx equal to minus a. Then divide by 2by plus sin y. So dy by dx is equal to what happened? Minus a by 2by plus sin y. That's it. Okay. Then another problem. Problem number 16. Again based on differentiation problem. If y plus sin y, these are all important problem. They may be asked in final exam. Y plus sin y is equal to cos x. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. Again, which type of function given? Implicit function. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ y is equal to ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ y ಮತ್ತು x ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. y plus sin y is equal to cos x. Find dy by dx. Now differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. ನೋಡ್ರಿ differentiate ಮಾಡಿ. Derivative of y with respect to x dy by dx plus derivative of sin y with respect to x cos y into dy by dx, derivative of cos x with respect to x minus sin x. Among those two, take dy by dx common. 1 plus cos y into dy by dx is equal to minus sin x, right? So divide by 1 plus cos y, dy by dx is equal to minus sin x divided by 1 plus cos y, right? Similarly, again problem number 14, 14, 15, 16, again repeated. These are all important sums. If sin square y plus cos xy is equal to k, find dy by dx. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, which type of function is here again? It is implicit function. Sin square y plus cos of xy is equal to k. Okay, then differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. Differentiate one by one term. So derivative of sin square y, two friends. Derivative of sin square, it is in the form x square 2 times sin y into derivative of second friend sin y is cos y with respect to different variable x, that is dy by dx, plus again here how many friends? Two friends. First friend cos, second friend xy. Now differentiate first friend. Derivative of cos minus sin xy into derivative of another friend. Another friend is xy. X is variable, y is variable. Now product of two variables, apply product rule. First function as it is x into derivative of y with respect to x dy by dx plus second function as it is y into derivative of x is 1. Okay, is equal to derivative of k. K is constant. Derivative of constant become 0. But 2 sin y into cos y, multiple angle formula, sin 2y dy by dx minus, remove that bracket, x into sin xy dy by dx minus into plus minus y sin of xy is equal to 0. Now take dy by dx common. Sin 2y minus x sin of xy into dy by dx is equal to, remaining that term goes to right side, minus y sin xy goes to right side, plus y into sin of xy. Now divide by that value. Therefore dy by dx is equal to y into sin xy divided by sin 2y minus x sin of xy. That is the answer. Okay students, then another question, problem number 15, 14, 15, 16. Problem number 15, if root x plus root y is equal to root 10. Show that dy by dx plus root y by x is equal to 0. Now here given root x plus root y is equal to root 10. Now differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. Derivative of root x, standard result ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x plus derivative of root y with respect to x 1 by 2 root y with respect to different variable x dy by dx. Derivative of root 10 is 0. Rearrange 1 by 2 root y dy by dx is equal to, that term goes to right side, minus 1 by 2 root x, right? Then cross multiply dy by dx is equal to 2 root y goes to numerator minus 2 root y divided by 2 root x. 2 cancel, dy by dx take is equal to on right side, minus into minus plus, root y by root x is nothing but big root of y by x equal to 0. 2 mark. Okay students, clean a concept artha ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, then problem number 16. Y is equal to sine of log x to the base e. Prove that dy by dx is equal to under root of 1 minus y square divided by x. Okay, given y is equal to sine of log x to the base e. To prove that dy by dx equal to root of 1 minus y square by x. Now given y is equal to sine of log x to the base e, therefore by definition of inverse function log x to the base e is equal to sine ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, therefore sine inverse of y is equal to log x to the base e. Correct? Because sine of log x is y, therefore log x equal to by definition of inverse trigonometric function sine inverse y. Then differentiate both sides with respect to x. Derivative of sine inverse y, you know the formula, remember 1 by root 1 minus y square with respect to x ಇದೆ into dy by dx is equal to derivative of log x, standard result ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. what is derivative of log x? 1 by x. ಮುಗಿದೋಯ್ತು. cross multiply dy by dx equal to, that term goes to numerator, root of 1 minus y square divided by x. That's it. Okay, again problem number 14, 15, 16. Problem number 14. If y is equal to log of log x to the base 7, find dy by dx. Now here given y is equal to log of log x to the base 7. So you know the laws of logarithm, that is log n to the base a is equal to, what is that formula? Log n divided by log a. Here put log x is equal to n and a is equal to 7. It is in the form log n to the base a. Log n to the base a formula, log n, n value log x, right, divided by log a value 7. Then we can write y is equal to 1 by log 7 into log of log x. Okay, both are same. Then differentiate. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ y ಇದೆ, then you write directly dy by dx is equal to 1 constant, log 7 is also constant. Constant into function, purely constant ಇತ್ತು, derivative of constant is 0. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದೆ function ಇದೆ, so constant term as it is, derivative of log x. Now how many friends? 2 friends. First friend log, second friend log x, derivative of log 1 by log x into another friend, derivative of log x is 1 by x. That is the answer. Okay. Then whereas problem number 15, that is 2 more question. Y is equal to sine of tan inverse of e power x. Find dy by dx. Now dy by dx is equal to how many friends? 3 friends. First friend sine, second friend tan inverse, third friend e power x. Now you have to differentiate one by one friend, one by one part. First we have to differentiate sine. What is derivative of sine? Cos as it is, cos of tan inverse as it is, e power x as it is. Modle friend and now differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Another friend tan inverse. What is the derivative of tan inverse? You know, 1 by 1 plus capital X square. Put e power x is capital X value e power x whole power 2. Second friend differentiate ಆಯಿತು. Into third friend derivative of e power x is e power x itself. That is the answer. Okay. Then another question. Y is equal to problem number 16. Y is equal to cos of log x plus e power x. Find dy by dx. Now dy by dx is equal to how many friends? Again 3 friends. First friend cos, second friend log x, third friend e power x. Now put log x plus e power x, call it as capital X. It is in the form cos x. Standard result. What is derivative of cos x? Minus sin capital X value log x plus e power x. ಹೌದಾ? cos ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. Into derivative of capital X. What is capital X value? Log x plus e power x. What is derivative of log x? 1 by x plus derivative of e power x. E power x. That's it. Okay. Then another question. Problem number again 14. Y is equal to log x to the power of cos x. Find dy by dx. Now here which type of function is given? That is logarithmic function given. Whenever there is a function of x in the index, nodri index dalle variable ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ don't differentiate directly. What can you do? Applying log on both sides, go on differentiate. That process of differentiation is known as logarithmic differentiation. Now here given data y is equal to log x to the power of cos x. Clearly in the index it is variable. So what can you do? Applying log. Log y is equal to taking log on both sides. Log of log x to the power of cos x. That is log y is equal to laws of logarithm. Log m power n. N log m cos x into log of log x. ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Then differentiate both sides with respect to x. Derivative of log y with respect to different variable x. 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to right side here product of two functions. Apply which rule? Product rule. The formula first function as it is into derivative of second function, derivative of log 1 by log x into another friend is log x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. First function into derivative of second function plus second function as it is log of log x into derivative of first function, derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Therefore cross multiply dy by dx equal to y goes to here into bracket cos x divided by x log x plus into minus log of log x into sin x. That is dy by dx is equal to the value of y given log x to the power of cos x into bracket cos x by x log x minus log of log x into sin x. That is the answer. Okay, 2 mark. Question number 14, 15, 16. These three questions, 2 mark questions belongs to under differentiation. Okay. Similarly, another question that is based on logarithmic. 15th, y is equal to sin x to the power of x. Find dy by dx. Observe ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. It is logarithmic differentiation because in the power it is a index, base is index, power is also index. Applying log on both sides, taking log y is equal to log of sin x to the power of x, right? That is log y is equal to laws of logarithm. Log m power n is equal to n log m, that is x into log of sin x. Okay, then differentiate both sides with respect to x. Derivative of log y with respect to different variable x, 1 upon y into dy by dx is equal to, right side here product of two functions. Apply product rule. First function as it is x, derivative of log of sin x. How many friends? Two friends. First friend log, second friend sin x. Differentiate log 1 by sin x into derivative of sin x is cos x, plus second function as it is log of sin x into derivative of x is 1. Then simplify, cross multiply, dy by dx equal to y goes to here, y into bracket x cos x by sin x plus log of sin x. But the value of y given, sin x to the power of x into bracket x cos x by sin x plus log of sin x. That is the answer. Similarly, problem number 16, y is equal to x power x. Find dy by dx. Again, clearly it is logarithmic differentiation, logarithmic function. In the index it is variable. So what can you do? Applying log. Log y is equal to log of x power x. That is log y is equal to laws of logarithm. Log m power n is equal to n log m, x log x, right? Then differentiate both sides with respect to x. Derivative of log y, 1 by y with respect to different variable dy by dx is equal to, right side product of two functions. First function as it is x, derivative of log x is 1 by x, plus second function as it is log x, derivative of x is 1. So x cancel, dy by dx is equal to y into bracket 1 plus log x. That is dy by dx is equal to y value x power x into bracket 1 plus log x. 2 mark questions. Okay. So next again problem number 14, y is equal to x power sin x. Find dy by dx. Again here in the index it is variable. What can I do? Applying log on both sides. Log y is equal to log of x power sin x. That is log y is equal to laws of logarithm, sin x into log x, right? Then differentiate both sides with respect to x. Derivative of log y with respect to x, 1 by y dy by dx is equal to, apply product of two functions. First function as it is sin x, derivative of log x is 1 by x, plus second function as it is log x into derivative of sin x is cos x. So dy by dx is equal to, cross multiply, y goes to here, y into bracket sin x divided by x plus log x into cos x. But the value of y given, x power sin x into bracket sin x by x plus log x into cos x. Okay. Similarly, Another question, problem number 15. That is, if x power y is equal to a power x, then prove that dy by dx is equal to x log a to the base e minus y divided by x log x. Given data, x power y is equal to a power x. Clearly in the index it is variable, base is also variable. What can you do? Applying log on both sides, that is log of x power y is equal to log of a power x. Then apply laws of logarithm. Log x power y is equal to log m power n formula, n log m, that is y log x. Here x into log a. Then differentiate both sides with respect to x. Apply product rule, product of two functions here. First function as it is y, derivative of log x is 1 by x, plus second function as it is log x into derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx is equal to, right side not product of two functions because a is constant, purely it is constant and function. Write constant term as it is, log a another constant adu hage itkolli, derivative of x with respect to x is 1, so rearrange log x into dy by dx is equal to log a to the base e, that y by x goes to right side minus y by x, so that log x to the base e dy by dx equal to, take the LCM is x. Here x log a to the base e minus 1. Cross multiply dy by dx is equal to x log a to the base e minus y divided by x log x. That is the answer. Problem number 14, 15, 16. Okay. Then another problem. Problem number 16. If x is equal to a into t square, y is equal to 2a into t, find dy by dx. Which type of function is here? It is parametric because x is function of t, y is function of t. How to calculate? Now you know the formula, dy by dx is equal to, we can write dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Correct? Since y is equal to 2a into t, derivative of 2at with respect to t, 2a constant, derivative of t with respect to t is 1, divided by x is equal to a into t square, differentiation of a into t square with respect to t, a constant, derivative of t square is 2 into t, a cancel, 2 cancel, that is 1 by t is the answer. Parametric function. Okay. So one more question. If x is equal to, problem number again 14, if x is equal to a sec theta, y is equal to b tan theta, prove that dy by dx is equal to b by a into cosec theta. Again, which type of function is here? Again, parametric. So how to calculate? Dy by dx is equal to, using parametric, dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So dy by dx is equal to, since y is equal to b tan theta, derivative of b tan theta with respect to theta, b constant, derivative of tan theta, you know the formula. What is that? Secant square theta, because derivative of tan theta with respect to theta is sec square theta, divided by x equal to a sec theta, a constant, derivative of secant theta, sec theta into tan theta, because derivative of sec theta is sec theta into tan theta. 1 sec theta cancel, b by a sec theta divided by tan theta, that is b by a sec theta, using trigonometric function we write 1 by cos theta, divided by tan theta, trigonometric function sin theta by cos theta. Right? If you take multiplication, cos theta cancel, So dy by dx is equal to b upon a 1 by sin theta, that is cosec theta. So dy by dx equal to b by a into cosec theta. Okay, then one more problem, that is 2 mark question, problem number 15. 14, 15, 16, these three problems belongs to under differentiation, particularly implicit function, logarithmic differentiation, then parametric as well as inverse function. So problem number 15, differentiate sin square theta with respect to e power cos theta. Here differentiation of first function with respect to second function, ಎರಡು functions ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So how to calculate? Now here take first function denoted by u, let u is equal to sin square theta, ಹೌದಾ? Second function call it as v is equal to e power cos theta. Now the question become, question ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ, ಈಗ differentiation of sin square theta denoted by u, differentiation of u with respect to e power cos theta denoted by v, that is to find du by dv. Again using parametric, clearly u is function of theta, v is function of theta, so du by dv is equal to du by d theta divided by dv by d theta. That equals du by d theta, u value sin square theta, derivative of sin square theta 2 sin theta into derivative of sin theta is cos theta, divided by dv by d theta, dv value e power cos theta, differentiation of e power cos theta with respect to theta. Now put cos theta is equal to capital X, it is in the form e power x, derivative of e power x itself, that is e power cos theta into another friend, derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta, right? Sin theta cancel, so differentiation of u with respect to v is equal to minus 2 cos theta divided by e power cos theta. Okay, then one more problem, last one. If y is equal to x cube plus tan x, find d2y by dx square, second order derivative d square y by dx square. So first to find first order, dy by dx is equal to derivative of x cube 3x square plus derivative of tan x secant square x. This is first order, iduk 1 mark. Once again differentiate, derivative of dy by dx is d2y by dx square is equal to derivative of 3x square 6x plus derivative of sec square x, two friends, power 2 and base sec x. It is in the form x square, derivative of secant square x is 2 sec x into another friend is sec x, derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x, that is 6x plus 2 sec x into sec x, secant square x into tan x. That is the answer. So here these three problems belongs to under differentiation. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ನು, ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ಕು, ಲೋಗ್ಯಾರ್ದಮಿಕ್, ಇವು ಮೂರು 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಡಿ ವೈ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಇಫ್ ವಾಯ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಡಿ ವೈ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ವಾಯ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಡೋಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡಿ ವೈ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಡೇಟಾ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್. If it is implicit function given, differentiate both sides. If it is explicit, andre y is a function of x ittu andre write dy by dx. Okay, so these three problems belongs to under differentiation 14, 15, 16. Then problem number 17 then belongs to the which topic? That is problem number 17 belongs to, that is increasing and decreasing function. 17th problem ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Increasing and decreasing function. Simple ಇದೆ. Okay, we will discuss in next class. Okay students, thank you.